Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Babes Wodumo is fuming emva kokuthi eve ngemahemhem kokuthi DJ Tira and his friends are preparing for a concert lebitwa nge-tribute for uMampintsha. Apparently endelwa uMampintsha kukhumbula amampintsha. So Babes Wodumo ukwade ugwanile nabo okokuthi niyenda nje le-concert le njalo without speaking to me first, without consulting me. Ngingibude ukuthi am I okay with that? Ngiyavuma yini ngokuthi nikwendele, since you guys know ukuthi uMampintsha was my husband. So abantu abaningi they are now saying ukuthi vele wrong DJ Tira, it's like uzama kwenda imali ngamampintsha noma sekandlulile emhlabeni. So awuphendulile ke noMampintsha uDJ Tira rara, so uDJ Tira asho ukuthi oh angiyathi mina eBabes Wodumo lento lokhuluma ngayo. It's actually the first time ngiyiva, angiyathi, I don't know anything about the consent mina. Wathi Babes Wodumo ngicela ukhulumise abafana bakho because the people who are organizing for this event they are under wena abafana bakho, ngicela ukuthi ubakhulumise or else but utixathanami. So most people they were actually saying ukuthi cha vele baya understand why uBabes Wodumo kumkwatisa lokho, because this was her husband. So uma abantu ba prepare something for her late husband kufanele bamadise yena, ngeke bamane bende miqimbi bende ma-events without letting her know, without informing her ukuthi this is what we want to do. Do you agree ekutheni siyende lento le or angeke uze uphatheke kahle uma singayenda? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment